So guys, we are very close to Gate of India. You just want to take a look? Just take a look. Behind my back, it's Indian Hotel Company Limited, IHCL. This hotel was built in 1903 and the founder of this hotel is a Tata Group and the name of the man is Jamshedji Tata. It is a vintage hotel and look at the mesmerizing beauty of this hotel. It's fabio. And this is Gate of India. Now I'm going towards Gate of India and this is Taj Hotel. That's it.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Right now I'm sitting in this gigantic wheel kind of thing and it's so big and it's looking like a gear, as you can see. I'm enjoying the view of Taj Hotel. Do you want to see the view? Dekho. So earlier, if we want to go towards this area, we have to go towards this area and from there we can enter into this area. But now what the Mumbai police has done is, if you want to explore Gate of India, you have to go somewhere from this side, from there, and then take a turn and go inside. So now I want to go towards Gate of India, so I need to go towards this side. I'm just giving you a knowledge. If you have not came here in this place from so long, then this rule is set by Indian government. This is the new Taj Hotel, by the way, and this is old Taj Mahal Palace Hotel. Kind of great. Let's explore more now.
Baby, hit it.
Security check clear, and now the moment of truth is arrived. Let's explore to this Gate of India now. Come on.
Life was made up by people that were no smarter than you.
More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it to me, I can say. More than I can say, do it to me.
Wanted to go in this boat, but today is Sunday and look at the rush. They are saying that you have to wait for 2 hours and I don't have time to wait for. Might be it's a wrong day today, that's why. No worries. another time, another day, I will be sitting in this boat.
Love so bad.
Ticket price of this boat is around 70 rupees, and it will give you a whole round of 30 minutes, and it will explore and show you the beauty of Gate of India and Taj Hotel. So it's kind of good. And from here you can also go towards Elephanta Caves. From here it's around 1 or 2 hours distance. I think somewhere this side is Elephanta Caves.
Love so bad. Do it to me once again. 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 Do it to me once again.
So this was my weekend, this was my Sunday, and this is Gate of India. I hope you like this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up and comment me down below which topic and which place should I cover in my next video. So this was my video because today is damn rush, and I think it's difficult for a vlogger to vlog in public because everybody is just looking in your camera and you are just getting demotivated again and again. So subscribe my channel and stay tuned for more such videos. Just take a look from here.
Do